Thank you, my friends, for hanging out with me as we walk through these 12 days of Christmas cookie recipes. I hope it's kind of getting you in the Christmas spirit because this year is kind of a challenging emotion since we've been advised to keep our groups really small and maybe not be around as much family as we're used to in the holidays, but hopefully just sitting back and baking cookies with me will ease a little bit of the pain, and we'll just have fun and we'll laugh and think what Christmas is going to be next year. I'm ready to see 2020 gone. All right, y'all, I have added like 3/4 a stick of butter. And then this is butter flavored solid vegetable shortening. And this is my white sugar. And actually I started with, this is 3/4 cup of sugar. And we got a 1/4 cup over there for us to roll our Snickerdoodles in. So we're just gonna cream this butter and sugar together. I'm gonna lower that until I get it kind of wet. You know, I think this is it's such a simple cookie, but I think it's one of people's like favorites. Now this Snickerdoodle is a little different because it's a pecan Snickerdoodle. We're gonna put some finely chopped pecans in it, and then after you get them on your baking sheet, you'll wanna take some extra pecans and put them on top and kind of press them in to make sure they don't fall off. But I'm not gonna be able to do that step because we ran out of nuts around here. Can you believe it? Out of nuts. That's about as bad as running out of butter, y'all. Okay, now I'm safe to turn this up and get that creamed real good. And this dough does not make a whole bunch, y'all. So if your family is crazy about Snickerdoodles, you may want to double the recipe. All right, we're gonna add our 1 egg. And this recipe, y'all, I don't know if you have my newest book, but this Paula Deen Southern Baking book. This recipe came out of my last book. And oh my goodness, that cookbook, if you like bacon, it has some of the most wonderful recipes in it that you will ever put in your mouth. I'm really proud of my first baking cookbook. There are some wonderful recipes in there that are great for like, say Christmas morning brunch or breakfast. All right, that's probably about a teaspoon of vanilla. Now over here, I've got our flour, and I've got cream of tartar, I've got baking soda, and I've got baking powder. So we're just gonna, this is like sifting when you use a whisk. It just feels just like I'm sifting that flour. Okay. So now we're gonna just add our flour in maybe like three different additions. Okay, that's one. Yep, we'll get it in there in three editions. And this is a thick batter too, y'all. Which is good because we're gonna scoop this up and we're gonna roll it into balls. And then we're gonna roll our balls in the spices that makes these a snickerdoodle. Makes it so good. You know, this is it's a very unintimidating cookie. Like, you know some people that are just like salt of the earth people. No pretense, no airs. That's what a snickerdoodle is like. Okay, it looks crumbly, doesn't it? All right. So I got my 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And I can't remember how much cinnamon I use. Let me see, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So just to keep my cookie about the same, I'm gonna use my little scooper pooper. Pooper scooper. Oh no. We don't want to call it that, do we? Okay, so I'm just rolling it in our cinnamon sugar mixture. And then I'm gonna flatten it a little bit. And like I said, this is the, oh, I forgot to add my nuts. So this is the point where I would add extra nuts like that and just stick them in. So I'm gonna fold these nuts in. I'm glad I said something talking about our nuts, because I was just before leaving them out. Okay. Oh, I love that brown cinnamon on them. These are still crumbly, and hopefully the warmth of my hands will help it stick together. There we go. Yeah, this is like so crumbly. I have trouble following my own directions. I forgot to tell y'all to refrigerate your dough for about 1 hour. So I'm gonna pretend like I did that. But it'll just work, it'll work up better for you if it's been refrigerated. So these are gonna be perfect. Okay, our bell just rang for our Pecan Snickerdoodles. There they are. The salt of the earth cookies. Oh, I got a little piece of red on that one before. I got food coloring all around here, honey. I don't know. I'm up to my eyeballs in everything but nuts. So these are our wonderful Snickerdoodles. And like I said, they're just good old salt of the earth cookies. No pretense. Just like I like them. One cookie down, y'all. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.